Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn on flashlight for taking photos and videos on your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, open camera in your phone, and if you want to turn on flashlight for taking photo, if you have low light in your in your surrounding, and if you want to use extra light, you can turn on flashlight. Okay, for that what you have to do is just click on the symbol. Okay, by default it is already turned off. If you want to turn on, you go to click here again, and yes, if it is highlighted, then you can understand that flashlight is turned on. Okay, see here, I turn it off and show it again. uh, Click here and click on this icon, and flashlight will be turned on. Okay, now take photo. While taking photo, flashlight will be used. Okay, see here, see here. Okay, if you want to record video, yes, for the video also you can turn on flashlight, and then you can shoot video. I shoot video, and see in the back side, flashlight is turned on. Using this extra light, you can enhance some more brightness in for videos and photos capturing through camera of your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.